Right here, Jay man, Samurai Showdown. Hey, Jay, you're running too fast. I can't run that fast. Woo! Don't lose him!
This is too big. It's too big. He's not gonna come out. He'll come out. You gotta tire him out.
Just don't put your finger in the spool, man.
Yeah.
Let him get tired out.
I almost caught a 30-pound fish over here. Big. Wow. Probably the biggest fish you ever caught today right here. Wait up.
Woo!
That's a fresh one right there. He got a lot of energy. Go ahead. Sorry. It's alright. You good?
Woohoo! Take it easy, Jay. Take it easy.
Let him run.
Jay, I thought you said they don't fight.
Alright, man. Stop taking it. You make me nervous now.
Where's the fish at? Okay, right there.
You're right. AKA mic'd out.
Jay, that 100-pound braided test is working.
20 pounds.
Easy, Jay, easy. Let time on, don't force it. I know you're scared he's gonna go in the raft, but he won't go in there.
There's no log, so.
That's what's fun about this place, no snags, huh?
Yeah. Okay, come on. That way, not that way.
Where's he at?
It's right there. He's coming down. Sorry.
See what I mean, Jay? We need help reeling it in, see? See how it feels? Not always gonna help you because you didn't help nobody.
No, it's okay. You tire him out. That's how you fish over here. You got to tire out the fish.
Oh!
Damn, it's a hat trick.
Yeah!
Bring him in. Yeah, that's big.
Wow! I'm staying away from that. I got some in my neck already. I have enough swivels in my neck.
Bring him in, Jay. Tired. Bring that fat boy in.
Easy, easy, Jay. Jay, we were in line until you just can't land over here, huh? Alright, just hold it still, I'm done.